Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we are doing a comparison between Google Veo 3 and Runway ML. See, when you consider video generation tools, Veo 3 and Runway AI often come up in discussions. Both offer unique features tailored for different user needs. Veo 3 was developed by Google and is known for its studio-grade capabilities, with an emphasis on delivering 4K photorealism, high-quality multimedia output, and a connection to other Google products like YouTube. This integration allows for rapid model improvement, making it a robust choice for professional-grade production. On the other hand, Runway AI positions itself as a user-friendly platform designed for creative professionals looking for efficiency in their workflow. While it may not match the advanced features of Veo 3, Runway AI provides substantial tools for video editing and generation, making it appealing for marketers, writers, and content creators. Let's look at their common features and offerings. You see, both platforms include essential functionalities that cater to video producers. And here is the common features, like I mentioned earlier, and offerings. Let's start with the first feature, which is resolution. For Veo 3, you have up to 4K photorealism, while for Runway AI, it's up to 1080p. When it comes to audio integration, Veo 3 has integrated audio generation, while Runway AI has limited audio features. When we look at user friendliness, Veo 3 is not beginner friendly, while Runway AI is more intuitive because it has a more intuitive interface. When you look at the editing tools, Veo 3 has advanced camera physics, while Runway AI has editing tools like Remix and Storyboard. When we look at their output quality, Veo 3 has superior video realism, while Runway AI has good quality but it's less complex. So in conclusion, what am I saying? Veo 3 and Runway ML serve different user needs in video generation because Veo 3 delivers studio-grade 4K photorealistic videos, advanced camera physics, and integrated audio, making it ideal for professionals seeking high-fidelity output. Runway ML, by contrast, offers faster production, a more user-friendly interface, and tools like motion brushes and ink painting, which is appealing to creators who value speed and ease of use. So the conclusion is it depends on your needs. If you need top-tier video realism, then Veo 3 is better. But for quick, intuitive editing, Runway ML is more practical. Hope you found this video helpful.